There is already an existing suspension as far as the some cases are allowed na pwede ka magpatayo ng coal power plant. Meron kasi moratorium, hindi ka pwedeng magpatayo ng bago. Recently, last year, we issued a department circular allowing own use, or kung there's an energy crisis or other circumstances that would justify why we allow. Why did we not allow before? Kasi we are trying to transition to cleaner energy. Now, in times of crisis, coal, it still remains as one of the cheapest options we have for power generation. We are studying the expansion of that exception, but we need to study it properly because the problem is diesel, and diesel is not really a major factor in terms of power generation in the Philippines. It's more on the transportation side. So, pwede naman siyang ma-expand. For example, if we want less of diesel and have more of coal, that's also a possibility. But there are also other options like having gas or renewable or even nuclear. So marami pa namang options. So our teams are already studying this, and we are open naman as far as coal is concerned. Basta cleaner technology lang siya, and there will be a transition plan for that coal power plant to eventually transition to cleaner energy. But yes, we're considering it.